Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add background text to text in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this text, I already typed this text and click the down layer and select any shape or any image. Use texture, select shape or image, effects, pattern overlay. Okay, and click the pattern drop down menu, add a texture. Click the settings, use texture fill to or texture fill. Append, texture fill, append. And see this, use texture. Click any texture and opacity, scale. Okay. Then click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Hold Ctrl, select the background or text, align middle, press Ctrl J.